Hello, my name is Arman, founder of TrueShine Window Cleaning. I am doing a review for Josh, owner and I guess current manager at KVF Marketing. I remember when I opened my business in 2014, or usually when you open your business, you start getting all kind of calls from all kind of advertising company and trying to sell you something. So I got a call from Josh one day saying, "Hey, this is Josh from KVF Marketing," and I hang up on him. And then he calls me back. And he's like, "Hey, this is Josh. I think we got disconnected." So I was like, "No, we did not get disconnected. I hang up on you," and I hanged up on him. And I was such a jerk. But anyway, so he calls me for the third time. He's like, don't hang up on me. Just give me a minute or whatnot, and I'll let me explain myself. And if you don't like it, then we'll move on. So he called me or whatnot, and he did provide me with a code for gutter cleaning website. So we start. Long story short, I agreed to his terms or whatnot, and from a company that I used to make I was making roughly about $3,000 a month. I just when I first talked to him, and now we make that in a day or half a day. So with that being said, he knows what is he doing. He's good at Google locals and getting you to be above your competitors in your town on a window cleaning and gutter cleaning service. I mean, he has been a blessing or blessing and add on to our company. Been working with him ever since. I mean, off and on. For a couple of for I would say for about 6 months. I told him that I didn't need his service anymore, and fairly quickly, I regretted and called him again. I told him, "Dude, I need you to start working on these." So, and he got on top of it. And we are doing phenomenal. He did a great job for us, and I will definitely recommend Josh and KVF Marketing. So that's all. That's all for my review, and I'm hoping that if you have to make the decision to find the right partner for your company, you choose Josh, because he is worth every single penny that we are paying him. So thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.